Welcome to Charu's Food Corner. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to see another simple recipe made up of only 4 ingredients, sweet pumpkin cookies, which is also called as gharya or garge in Marathi. It's fall season and you will start seeing very nice pumpkins all around in the supermarkets. It's Halloween, so people will always be carving pumpkins. So, if you're looking for an interesting recipe to use pumpkins leftovers from the carving, this is the way to go. You can make sweet pumpkin puris or sweet pumpkin cookies. You only need 4 ingredients. Here I've taken a small piece of pumpkin, wheat flour, jaggery, you can also use sugar, and some oil, just enough to fry. Let's start with cleaning up the pumpkin. You have to make sure you are removing all the seeds and veins from the pumpkin. I'm saving seeds to dry up and you can consume them later. So here I've cut the pumpkin into 1-inch pieces. If you see here, we have to avoid the layer of the pumpkin skin while we are shredding it for our cookies. Also, we have to get rid of all the veins on the surface, so I'm nicely scraping it off. You can see here, and now I'm going to cut it into a 1-inch piece. Making it into small pieces makes it very easy to shred and to make sure that we are not taking the part of the skin, but we are taking all the pulp nicely. We have to keep checking intermittently if we are not getting into the skin while shredding it. So the shredded pumpkin pulp is here. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl so that we can use the measurements of other ingredients according to the amount of shredded pumpkin we have. So here almost I have a bowl full of shredded pumpkin. So I'm going to adjust the ingredients accordingly. I have kept a pan for heating and I'm going to saute the shredded pumpkin for 4 to 5 minutes. You don't need any oil or ghee or anything. Just nicely saute it until it's cooked a bit. Then you add jaggery. You can also add sugar here, but I've never tried it with sugar. Jaggery will give it a bit of dark color and it will start caramelizing. You have to keep continuously stirring it almost till the molten jaggery becomes a bit thick. The water is evaporated. And you'll start seeing candy-like characteristic to the preparation. You can store this cooked preparation for long time. Say you have a big pumpkin, you can make in big amount and store it and make the puris or gharge later. Slowly you will start seeing that the preparation is getting a bit thick and we're almost done here. Turn off and transfer it to another vessel where we are going to mix it with wheat flour. At this point you can store this mixture for long time. Almost it's good for a month in refrigerator and for much more longer in the deep freezer. So I'm just spreading it to cool down. It's almost been 15 to 20 minutes and it's cooled down completely. Now we are going to add wheat flour step by step, like 2 to 3 spoons at a time, and start mixing it nicely without forming lumps. The mixture is very sticky and that is how it should be. Making this is a bit tricky. Many people add a lot of wheat flour, which makes it easy to roll and fry. But we are not using a lot of wheat flour here, just enough to bind. Now I'm putting another 2 to 3 teaspoons of wheat flour and mixing it again. Just keep checking the consistency you can see here. Now I'm adding the last step, and after mixing you can see it is sticky but still not that sticky to get it stuck to your fingers, so it's almost done. So now we are taking oil in some pan and heating it, and by the time the oil is getting hot, we are preparing to make the cookies. Now here I have taken a parchment paper and I have spread some water on it, and we are going to take some dough, and with help of wet fingers we are going to press it into a shape of cookie. Remember, this is very sticky and it's very delicate. That's why I've taken a small parchment paper. I have taken it on a coaster, and sometimes for me it's easy to move the coaster so that we can shape the cookie. Now very carefully lift the parchment paper towards the oil, hot oil, and slowly put it into the oil for frying. We have to fry it on medium flame until it is golden brown. It doesn't take a long time because our pumpkin is already cooked. I just check the color, just flip it once and immediately remove it. So this is ready. Let's do it one more time. I've taken the same parchment paper, just spread some water, and with wet fingers I'm pressing the dough to make it into a cookie shape, a thin cookie, and frying it in some oil. It is one of the healthier alternatives for cookies for kids. It is a perfect after school or after office munching snack, or to pack it for travel. So this fall season, make sure you try this simple just 4 ingredient recipe, which is an healthy version of cookies. For more such super quick, easy and authentic recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment and share it with your friends too.